I'm Andy, coming from London. I have a lawn care business and a garden maintenance business called Toro Gardens. The reason why I came to this course is because they have a very specific way and technical way to look after lawns and really improving the skills and the service that we provide. And I find this course really, really helpful, so I definitely recommend coming here. It teaches you the technical way on how to look after a lawn rather than just cutting the lawn, which has been really, really helpful. Definitely going to implement all of the technical things that Richard has shown us today, and definitely, putting that into the business. I'm definitely looking to send our guys here as well to train and improving the service that we're really giving to our clients. In order for us to deliver that top quality service that you clients looking for. Favorite part of the day, definitely the spray calibration. Richard has been really patient, on showing us how to calibrate your speed and the cone settings and all of that, which has been really great and really helpful. Definitely do. It's been all the stuff here, and Laura behind the scenes. She's a brilliant, really good, and yeah, definitely recommend it.